I'm Daniel Atkins from the Australian Maritime Safety Authority. I'm a project engineer and I look after aids navigation, which includes lighthouses, buoys, beacons. We're currently standing at Northern Territory's oldest lighthouse located at Charles Point on the Cox Peninsula. The lighthouse was completed in February of 1893 and was automated in 1933. It was converted to solar power in 1994 and had an automatic identification system installed in 2010. The current project that we're undertaking at the moment is the complete removal of paint and repainting of the structure. The structure is encapsulated due to the lead-based paint, but the encapsulation is designed so that there's no contamination of the site and due to the health and safety aspects for the personnel working at site.
I'm Chapman. My wife and I operate the Wagga Beach supermarket. We've done so for the last 13 years. We've lived here for about 16 years. It's only a small community, about 400 people, which is not that far from Charles Point, where there's a rather iconic lighthouse. Well, it's certainly something that the community is proud of and essentially like to claim as their own. It's different because it's shrouded in plastic and there's again a bit of a mystery as to what's going on behind the scenes. But I think there's an acceptance that the maintenance is necessary for the long-term sort of protection of the lighthouse and of the people who maintain it. Then it's works that are well needed and will serve the lighthouse well into the future.
So we're at the Primus Stage now. The structure is just a dull grey colour. On completion it'll be contrasting bands of red and white as per its existing colour scheme. The most interesting thing about this structure is its construction, being the central cylinder and the canted lattice, which is not a very common form in Australia. The Charles Point Lighthouse is one of the first point of contacts for vessels arriving to the Port of Darwin, and together with the automatic identification system provides forewarning for the Port of Darwin of the approaching vessels.
Well, Charles Point, I guess, is the beacon that brings people to Darwin Harbour, and whilst of course there's a lot of electronic navigation aids that do that as well, Charles Point Patch is well known in Darwin, and Charles Point Lighthouse is very significant to us.